Hi girl, hi, welcome back to my channel, Taqui's Beauty Tutorials, with another tutorial. And today we're going to be doing this cute pink eyeshadow look with a pink lip. However, using a new foundation from Kat Von D foundation, the newest one that Kat Von D came out with, and I'm using the Venus palette 3. Also, the Venus Palette 3 Lime Crime, and this is the pink edition. Really cool palette, really nice, pretty pink palette. You can just kind of do your thing with this palette, and it was a quick and easy look. So I'm going to work, and I just try to be simple, get through, get out of here kind of thing. Right now, taking care of the skincare using the Benefit, the Professional primer. Like using that primer, and I'm also using this banana souffle from Glow Reset, and this is one that I got from BoxyCharm. I got pretty much everything that I'm using from BoxyCharm except for my Clinique lipstick and my foundation. But yeah, this is a really nice souffle. It smells like banana. It's really nice. I like it. It's good for sensitive skin. It doesn't irritate my skin. I love the smell of it, and it hydrates my skin throughout the day. So now what I'm doing is setting up those brows. You see me use that Morphe pencil, the chocolate mousse or whatnot, and I'm diving into the Urban Decay Naked Concealer. I like this concealer, and this concealer is it is a 50NN. That's the color, 50NN. Yeah, so using that concealer is really like too light for me. But however, I make it work. I like light concealers, but I'm coming towards, trying to, really get more natural into my skin tones, because I don't mind lighter concealers because I like the dimension that it gives me in the center of my face. I like the dimension. If you go lighter, it gives you more of a dimension. It widens the face. So if you guys notice, so I did put on the Tarte Shape Tape Deep Sand Concealer from Tarte, and I like it's Deep Honey, sorry. So I use that on the top of my brows to just shape up my brows or whatnot. I love Tarte. I love using Tarte. Yeah, so I got a lot of concealer from different brands that I use right now. I don't like to keep my stuff in one particular brand. I like to try different stuff. I like to just try different stuff. That's why I like makeup, because makeup is fun and you can just have fun. Now I'm diving into that brow freeze from Anastasia, the clear. It's really nice. It helps kind of keep the brows in place, and it does that nicely, girl. And when I tell you your brows don't move when you use that, I love that stuff. It's so amazing. I love it. I love it. Now I'm putting on this Kat Von D foundation, which I got it like in this tester jar bottle, and yeah, so that's what I'm working with. However, it must didn't come out. So I'm using Chanel, girl. Sorry. So I'm using Chanel now. However, ready to get through with this. I'm trying to get through with Chanel because I've had Chanel for quite some time, and I like Chanel foundation. So I'm just getting through with this. It's a tad bit darker than me, but however, it oxidizes when you put it on or whatnot, but then it becomes true to your skin. But however, right now, I'm gonna, when I put my concealer on, everything is just gonna fall in place. Right now, it makes it look like I'm like a really orange or really red, whatever you have you. But however, I blend it out with that beauty blender or whatnot. Girl, under the weather, girl, got a sore throat, but I still gotta go make my money. So I am taking some Theraflu, and I'm drinking and sipping on it as we go. So when you see me sip on that, you already know what it is, girl, Theraflu. So I'm going into the Rare Beauty concealer. Love the Rare Beauty concealer. It's really nice. You can go to Ulta and get everything that I'm saying, probably except for the Chanel. Some Ulta sell the Chanel, some don't. But pretty much everything that I'm using, you can definitely go to Ulta and get it. Now, you can also replay these videos as often as you need to if you want to see what I'm using, or you want to buy what I'm using or whatnot. Now, some of the products you will have to buy online, like the banana moisturizer. You will have to buy that online. Now, I got that from BoxyCharm. You can go to BoxyCharm and get a subscription, and they will send you all these things. The Venus palette, you can go to BoxyCharm to get that palette, because I don't think they sell that palette in stores. I really like that pinked out palette. However, girl, I love this concealer. It's really creamy, really nice. A little bit goes a long way, and I tell you, girl, it blends like a charm. So I like to put it on with a brush, and then I like to go back in with my beauty blender. You can get this beauty blender. You can use any beauty blender of your choice. I don't really care what beauty blender I use, as long as the beauty blender is blending, okay? I like to get that beauty blender nice and wet while that skin is taking in that product, so I can maneuver that product around. However, I'm diving into the Juvia's Place bronzer in Deep, okay? And I love the Deep bronzer from Juvia's Place. It's a nice bronzer. It has two shades in there. It has a really dark shade, and then it has this like really light, like more like kind of reddish shade. And I love that shade because the reddish shade kind of help blend out the dark. Now, I'm hitting pan, but I did get another one. However, girl, yeah. So making sure I get that nose too, girl. Contouring that nose. I love to contour with this. As you guys see, oh, you see, yeah, I contour like a charm with this. I love these colors because the colors that are in here really sit good with my skin. And it really blends really, really nice. I really like it. And it lasts you probably about 6 months. If you guys ever see this pan of mine, you see I use more of the deeper than I do of the light, because, I mean, I like to get in those jawbones and make it look anorexic, okay? So now I'm diving into that palette or whatnot, and I'm just putting that shadow on there, just spreading it on there. And I ain't trying to be cute with it, girl. I'm just putting it on there, trying to get it over with, because, hey, I got to go make some money, and I ain't got to sit here in the mirror all day and play with this eyeshadow. So this is a quick look. It is what you see, even though it's some speed going on. It's quick and easy to get in and get out. That's what we're doing or whatnot. I like to have fun with shadows. I like to play with shadows. I like to, you know, see what shadows can do. However, I did not put a primer on, but I did use a concealer. So this palette is really pigmented and nice, and it's true to the color that are in here, which are really nice. I really like using this palette. This could be an everyday palette for me. However, because I know how to blend and get through with what I'm doing, you know what I'm saying? So that can be an everyday palette for me. When I'm going to work, I do things simple. So I'm pretty much gonna go through pretty much all of my shadows, you know, for work, because I mean I got somewhere to go, and I wear my makeup, get rid of it. And that's what I really want to do, is to get rid of it. I got some new products here from that I'm not showing in the video yet, that I will show in a video soon, probably the video I'm doing tomorrow. I don't know when you guys gonna get that, probably next week sometime, because I got several videos coming to you guys. Now you need to be subscribed. I got new Juvia's Place new Juvia's Place brow products. I tried the brow gel, which is really nice, natural. You know, you ain't got to do all that extra stuff or whatnot. And I do got some Juvia's Place liners, which I'm gonna just give you guys a really fancy look with those, because I'm definitely not gonna wear liners to work, because you know it's kind of okay. But anyway, not those kind of liners. Colorful liners. I'm not going to do that, because I don't work in that kind of atmosphere. You know, I work in a more professional atmosphere, and I do want to wear things that I sell. So, however, the liner that I'm using is by Ram Beauty, and I love this liner. It's really, really nice. I will put it in the description box. Everything that I'm using will be in the description box if you guys don't see me talking much about it. I'm definitely going to put in the description box. You have a choice to look up in there, you know, if, you know, and see what I'm using. Also, replay this video back as many times so you can see how I got this look. Now, this is a palette here that I also got from BoxyCharm. I don't know the name of that palette because it's written in cursive and I don't understand it. So, yeah, I dive into the Mario Badescu facial spray with aloe vera and coconut water. I like it. That's what I use to set my foundation or whatnot. Then I dived into the sorry. Then I dived into the Anastasia glow kit, and I put my lights up on there, girl. I put the lights on, so when the lights hit, you're gonna see it hit. Girl, yeah, but the girl, I have just got over this sore throat, girl. Throat still is sore, girl. This pollen is falling down, girl. This really went a much cold winter. This winter went by so fast, girl. So, yeah, and I used to love the winter, but when the winter is over, that's when I tend to get sick. But, however, diving into this MAC, the MAC eyeliner. Girl, I don't want to butcher this MAC eyeliner. This is in Extreme Dimension 3D Black Lash. Really nice, really nice, really nice. Really nice mascara. My first time ever using the MAC mascara. It's good. And I actually got this as a gift when purchasing something from, you know, Ulta or whatnot. You girls know I love shopping at Ulta or whatnot. Yeah, but that's how this look is coming, and it's quick and easy. No falsies. That's what you're gonna see me do a lot these days. I'm not going to put no false lashes on because I'm going to work and there's no need to putting false lashes on. Now, if I'm going out to the club, whatever, going to chill, you know, going to the bar, yeah, I put little falsies on, yeah, but I ain't going to do that because, you know, I got to put my glasses on and I got to be able to see. I got to be able to see. Now I'm diving into that Clinique, that Shock Pop, which I think has been discontinued. But they got other colors that looks like this, girl. Clinique got some bad Mama Jamma lipsticks. If y'all ain't tried it yet, you need to do it. I've been a fan of Clinique lipsticks for as long as I can know that they had it. However, yeah, and I really like this look. I got a lot of compliments throughout the day about this lipstick. Everybody was liking this lipstick on me. And it was like, it goes so good with your skin tone, bloop, 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 bloop. Yes, girl. And I was rocking this wig, girl. I got from Amazon. So, yeah, girl. Got more wig tutorials coming. So, if you haven't seen them yet, you need to be watching all these videos so you can see them all. Now, here's the finished look. Hope you guys like what you see. Be sure to feel free to come back anytime where I'm going to keep it real. I'm going to keep it 100 and I'm going to give you what you want to see. That's just the way it is, girl. That's the way we come right here. I love you. My father love you more. I'll see y'all in my next video. Bye.